Okay, so we have a Tesla Model X. What's the serial number on this, Ollie?
7.
Number 7. This is old school, back in the day, signature series. Look at this, doesn't even have cameras. So Ollie, tell us a little bit about this. What's different versus like a regular Model X? This thing is so old, it doesn't have all the content that even came with Model X.
Yeah, you won't, like I say, you won't have the cameras on here. It's hard to see because the car's fully stripped out for what we're doing to it, but it doesn't even have the occupancy sensor. So if you close this door, it would just keep on going. It doesn't sense that anybody's here. It would just close down straight down into you. Obviously, if it feels tension, it's going to stop. But like the newer ones are coming with the same parking sensors you have in the front bumper to recognize somebody here. So this doesn't even have that.
And this is here for what, a full interior redo?
Full interior, yeah.
So you've taken this, you've probably taken a lot of these apart. You've taken this completely apart inside.
Yeah, I've done 1 or 2.
And this is going to get completely reupholstered?
Yeah, completely reupholstered, even down to, we're changing the seat belts out from this tan color to a black. Even down to the seat belt plastics will get changed out. All of the trim work on the seat will get changed out.
So this is almost like a restoration. This is serial number 07. Check this out. Wow. That is cool. So this is the 7th Model X ever made.
Yep. In the signature red, obviously.
Signature red. It's here at T-sportline for a full interior redo.
This is pre-ludicrous.
Pre-ludicrous.
And then you'll have your signature on your thing as well.
Wow. Can barely see that, but this is so cool. So this is like a piece of Tesla history here. Serial number 7 in at T-sportline for a full interior reupholster, redo. Something that is done here at T-sportline all the time. Ollie, the technician, has probably done hundreds of these. He knows this car well. Let's take a look at what's coming. So here's another Model X that has a T-sportline interior redo. And this one happens to be in for other upgrades as well. Let's take a look. So this is what's coming. A full bespoke custom interior made by T-sportline, installed by T-sportline. Very common mod here. Done at T-sportline, you can see this. So serial number 7 is about to get a facelift. Pretty cool stuff. Make sure you follow T-sportline and like this. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll show that car once he's got that completely done.